Alright, YouTube, I am back with another video, and um, it's another weekly vacuuming. I'm using my Hoover Concept 1 without the self-propelled, and if I kind of get a little giggly here, it's because I just got done watching a Basiac, the funny collector from England, beautiful England. But you don't care about what I was doing, you care about what I am doing right here, right now. So, let's go ahead and get this on the road, shall we? I've always wanted to go to England, but I don't think I'm allowed to right now because I can't afford the travel, and I can't afford passports or work visas. Anyway, here we go. I did vacuum this yesterday with the Mila, but right after I did, I had people tracking dirt through here like crazy. And there we go. There's the living room. You can see it's nice and clean, not a speck of sand. Because of concepts. I know convertibles can do just as good, and so can Kirby's, but I love my concept now. I love both of them. I hate that I don't have headlights to put in this, because I've heard they look pretty mean towards dirt. Here we go. think I got enough cord to go to the hallway. If I move the hallway rug out a bit. Yeah, I'll go ahead and do that. And there it is. I, of course, hope y'all enjoyed that. Tell me how y'all liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, and when I can do it. I do have a few requests, but one of them I think I've already done. The other I've definitely done, and I definitely need to get that Kirby duel filmed and all that, but right now I need to see about finishing up another request. I think it was comparing the Windsor to the Mila. I know I've already compared the Dirt Devil MVP Swivel Glide to the Bissell Power Force Bagged. I've already left the Black Eureka the Boss running, the 5 amp one. I don't know, I'll see. I'll have to see what I can do about that as well. But until then, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos like this one. And until next time, bye.